Water pump replacement in model Mercedes C205 with engine M264 inline 4-cylinder engine. First of all, remove air filter housing, then disconnect air pressure line intake manifold to turbo. Now disconnect coolant line, after that remove thermostat with 4 bolts E10, then disconnect water pump E12 3 screws you can see. Now look how this pump is stuck, no moving this turbine. That's why this car was getting overheat, so sometime internal defective in water pump.
In Mercedes use 50-50 ratios, 50% coolant 50% water. Don't use only water in engine cooling system, water making more corrosion.